Hi, hello everyone. I am Sarnagunda Pavi. I studying MBA at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Today I explain price skimming. First one is introduction to price skimming. Price skimming is a pricing strategy where a company sets a high initial price for a new product or service. The strategy is often used for products that are innovative, in high demand, or have a limited supply. Definition of price skimming. Price skimming is a pricing strategy in which a firm sets a high price for a product or service at its launch, targeting early adopters and those willing to pay a premium. This strategy is often used for products with high perceived value or limited competition. First one is target audience. Early adopters and consumers willing to pay a premium for a product or service. Second one is price setting. High initial price is set to maximize profit in the initial phase. Third one is objective. Capture the maximum profit from those willing to pay the highest price. Advantages of price skimming. Price skimming offers several advantages, including maximizing profits in the early stages of a product's life cycle. First one is high initial profits. The high initial price can generate significant revenue and profits, especially for products with a limited supply or high demand. Second one is brand prestige. A high price can create a perception of exclusivity and quality, enhancing the brand's image and reputation. Third one is market research. The price skimming strategy allows companies to gather valuable data on consumer demand and willingness to pay. Fourth one is flexibility. Companies can adjust prices over time as the market evolves and competition intensities, maximizing their profits. Disadvantages of price skimming. Price skimming, despite its benefits, comes with several drawbacks, including attracting competition. First one is competition. A high price can attract competitors who may offer similar products at lower prices. Second one is lower sales. The high prices can discourage some consumers from purchasing the product, resulting in lower sales. Third one is negative perception. Consumers may perceive the high price as unfair or exploitative, damaging the brand's image. Fourth one is price sensitivity. Product priced at a high level may face greater price sensitivity, meaning that a decrease in price could lead to a significant increase in demand. Factors to consider for price skimming. Price skimming is not a strategy that is suitable for every product or service. Product differentiation high. The product should have unique features or benefits that justify a higher price. Market demand high. There should be enough consumers willing to pay a premium for the product. Third one is cost structure. Fixed costs. The product should have a relatively high fixed cost and a lower variable cost. Implementing price skimming strategy. Implementing a price skimming strategy requires careful planning and execution, considering the product life cycle and consumer perception. First one is product launch. Launch the product at a high price, targeting early adopters and those willing to pay a premium. Second one is adjust pricing. Gradually lower the price as the product matures and competition increases. Third one is monitor demand. Closely track sales and consumer feedback to understand the level of demand and price sensitivity. Fourth one is maintain value. Continue to differentiate the product by offering new features or benefits to justify the price. Examples of successful price skimming. Price skimming has been successful implemented by numerous companies with notable examples in the technology and automotive industries. First one is Apple iPhones. Apple iPhones have traditionally been launched at high prices, targeting tech enthusiasts and early adopters. Second one is Tesla electric vehicles. Tesla vehicles, known for their innovative technology and performance, are priced at a premium compared to traditional car brands. Third one is Sony PlayStation consoles. Sony PlayStation consoles have consistently been launched at high prices, attracting games seeking the latest gaming experience. Fourth one is Nintendo Switch consoles. Nintendo Switch consoles, known for their unique hybrid design and family friendly games, have been launched with premium pricing. Conclusion and key takeaways. Price skimming is a different pricing strategy for companies launching new products or services with high perceived value. First one is product differentiation. Create a product that stands out from the competition with unique features or benefits. Second one is target audience. Identity early adopters and consumers willing to pay a premium for the product. Third one is monitor demand. Track sales and consumers feedback to understand the market's response to the price. Fourth one is adjust pricing. Gradually lower the price as the product matures and competition intensifies. Thank you.